Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing password icon after the iOS 18 update on your iPhone. So let's get started. If you notice that the password section is missing from your settings, it's because it's been moved. Follow these steps, open your settings on your phone, scroll down and tap for a new section called apps and tap it. Under the P section you will find the passwords option. Scroll down and you will find here. Tap on it, then you can see or view your usernames, passwords and keychains. You can also open the passwords app directly from your home screen or app library. If you can't find, go to the app store from there and search for passwords. Okay, and download the passwords app managed by Apple company. Make sure it's the official app to ensure security. If you are still missing your passwords, go to the settings. From there, tap on the Apple ID at the top of the screen and tap the iCloud option from here. Under the iCloud, make sure passwords and keychain is turned on and synced with your device. That's it. I hope this video helps. If it did, consider liking and subscribing for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.